how can you concentrate on learning Spanish? I think that like focus and concentration, obviously health and like sleep are a big part of those, or a big part of it. And I think like it's mainly about cutting out distractions, right? Focus, it's very hard to define, or I would define it as like the isolation of one thing. So if you ask someone, oh, just focus on this, to me, what that's saying is take away everything else that isn't that thing, and then there's nothing else to do other than that thing. And so if you want to focus or concentrate, all that means is take away all other variables that aren't conducive to the thing that you want to focus on, and then all that is left is that thing, if that makes sense. So if I was trying to read a book, right, it would be less productive to do that in like a noisy environment, right? Because then there is the distraction, a noise distraction that my brain has to thinking about, my surroundings. And so if you want to think about the most productive sort of way to study Spanish, it would essentially be like an isolated room with like as little sound as possible, as little like distractions as possible, and just that one thing. That would be the best. That would be the best thing. So yeah, that's how I would say focus. That's how I would define focus, at least.